Hey guys, Being Brianna here. Today's video is all about the August unboxing of the Onyxbox. But please, before you get started watching, please subscribe to my channel, guys. I want to get to 200 subscribers, and when I get to 200 subscribers, I am going to do my giveaway. I have a full box of goodies, but I want to make sure that I get to 200 subscribers first, and then I will get into all of the details on how you can win my special giveaway. We're getting into this box already. Look at the beautiful graphic like always, and let's look at the postcard. This is beautiful. It is still I think this is the last box of the travel series, and if you can tell, I believe that this country that they got their inspiration from is Africa. A tour of Africa. So this is the box. We have a African Nights lipstick by Noyah, a custom nail wrap, okay, by NCLA and ONYX, Nubian Heritage, African Black Soap Collection. I believe that it should be a spot treatment. That's what I saw on Instagram. And we have rich collagen face mask, a set of 2 of them. And then we have something from Bodyworks. How fun. But this graphic is everything. So, it says, say goodbye to split ends. Okay, so I guess this almond marshmallow line that they have is supposed to be helpful with split ends. So here are the 2 face masks. I believe they are the same one. Yeah, okay. Then here is the nail fashion nail wraps. This is cute, and I don't think you should, do a full set of nails with this, but you could use it for like an accent nail. That would be really cute and fun. Okay, so I'm going to open this up at the end of the video and show you a swatch of the lip. It says that it is the African Nights lipstick, and it looks like a nice pretty cranberry maybe. Then we have the Bodyworks. Look like this is the conditioner. Oh, leave-in conditioner. Okay. And then we have a hydration serum. Okay. That should be really fun to use. I don't really have a lot of hair serums. And lastly, we have the African soap spot treatment. Okay, I could use that for my problem spots. Let me swatch the lipstick for you guys. Now have the African Nights onto my lips. Their packaging is actually 60% bamboo. How cool is that? But I just wanted to thank everybody for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at Being Brianna. I hope that you guys enjoy the last bit of summer. I know I am most definitely dreading the end of summer vacation. I hope you guys have a blessed one.